Asad Abbas. First, Arvind Kejriwal said, I'm not resigning. The constitution allows me to rule and govern Delhi from behind the bars. Legally speaking, he's absolutely correct. The Supreme Court has said as much, that there's nothing stopping a chief minister from ruling from inside jail. I understand that. But if he has appointed Atishi now, why could he not have done it 6 months ago? So that the policy paralysis that the BJP talks about would not have been there. Said, please unmute yourself.
Yes. So, Shreya ji, there are two problems here of the Bharatiya Janata Party. When Arvind Kejriwal is in jail and does not resign, there is a problem. And when he finally comes in and resigns, there is a problem. The fact of the matter, the BJP needs to decide on the same front. Atishi ji, George Washington made a beautiful quote. I'd like to narrate the same. When you do the most common things in life in the most uncommon way, you command the attention of the world. The problem of Bharatiya Janata Party is not the change of CM or resignation. As to why Atishi has become the chief minister, I was shocked when a Basuri Swaraj, whose late mother, a great, well-respected orator, politician, she makes a comment like that. Not just her, Swati Maliwal, who was very discouraged by the statements of Atishi, trying to get back at her. I think women should celebrate leadership no matter what. Who is Atishi? I've known Atishi for the last 5 years, not just a Rhodes Scholar. Over the last 17 years, she's worked on humanistic education. She's been to villages of Madhya Pradesh and she's worked. When I campaigned for her in East Delhi elections along with Mr. Prakash Raj, I could tell you, this woman is going to be not just the chief minister, but a very tall leader of the country. Now coming to Mr. Harish Khurana made a statement that, Arvind Kejriwal did not resign, Hemant Soren resigned, others resigned. Respected sir, I come from the land of Karnataka. 2011 January, allegations on Yediyurappa. He did not resign for the last 9 months. He went to jail, he did not resign. What do you have to say to that? आप करें तो प्यार, हम करें तो वार, ये कैसा अत्याचार भाई साहब आपकी पार्टी में देखिए. Second point, let me tell you, Shreya ji, why was I happy? Not because I know Atishi. I was happy because after Sushma Swaraj, Sheila Dikshit, there is a woman chief minister and so young. Let me tell you, I'd like to give all the credit of the education system and the revolutionizing Kofi Annan. Who did he mention? Not just Manish Sisodia, but who spearheaded the Delhi public schools? It was Atishi. And then it was Manish Sisodia who conceived the idea and later produced it. This woman works on ground. There is bound to be politics. Let it be. But one more point. Now you talk about dummy CM, all of that. My friends of the BJP, would it be fair if I call all the chief ministers in BJP states dummy CMs remote controlled by Modi and Amit Shah? Is it even fair? Would it be fair if I say JP Nadda is nothing, just remote controlled? Governors are nothing, remote controlled. Chief ministers are nothing, remote controlled by Modi, Amit Shah. It's absolutely unfair. If you ask me, knowing Atishi, she deserves to be the third woman sitting chief minister of Delhi.
Shreya,
हरीश जी जरा जवाब दीजिए.
दे तो रहा हूं. श्रेया, मैंने तो नहीं कहा. सौरभ भारद्वाज ने कहा कि she is a खड़ाऊ chief minister. Did I say that? Saurabh Bhardwaj said that. She's a stopgap arrangement. That's it. If she's so much capable, why she has been not appointed for next election also? Tell him ना कि वो काम कर रही हैं, बहुत अच्छी सीएम है, अगली बार वही बनेंगी. क्यों कह रही है कि सिर्फ वो 4 महीने के लिए बनेंगे? So you yourself is saying that next time Arvind Kejriwal will be becoming a CM only for 3 months because Supreme Court has said he cannot go to Secretariat, he cannot sign it. So we are going to in front of public. So next time he will become a CM. अरे हमने थोड़ी कहा है, आप लोग कह रहे हैं. Secondly,
Shreya ji, 10 seconds.
Shahid bhai,
10 seconds.
Shahid
10
bhai,
seconds.
no, hear me out.
10 seconds.
You are talking. Yeah, Sayed, hear me out. You are talking about Yediyurappa. I said only one thing. He's the only chief minister in India who is ruled from the jail. He's the only one. History में लिखा गया उनका नाम कि वो सीएम पद पे चिपके रहे, उन्होंने रिजाइन नहीं किया. Even his friend Lalu Yadav, even his friend Madhu Koda, even his friend Shubhi Soren had resigned.
The same can be said for Biren Singh also, no? ना the same can be said for Biren Singh also, ना कि अपनी सीएम पद से चिपके रहे.
श्रेया
230
श्रेया
लोग
जी,
मर
10
गए उनके
seconds.
स्टेट में अंडर इज वॉच, लेकिन चिपके रहे. 10 seconds only, and then I have to go to Neerja Chaudhary.
Thank you. श्रेया जी,
नहीं सर, रुक जाइए खुराना जी, I'll come back to you. रुक
श्रेया
जाइए.
जी,
हाँ.
श्रेया जी, I think Mr.
आप कुछ भी बोल देंगी.
हरीश भाई साहब 10 सेकंड दीजिए.
नो आप सुनेंगे. आप
हरीश
आप मुझे
साहब,
बताइए,
हरीश
मुझे-
साहब,
आप ये
हरीश जी
बताइए
सुन
मुझे,
लीजिए ना,
उनको जेल हुई
आपको
क्या?
आपको
उनको
जवाब
जेल
मिल
हुई
रहा है,
क्या?
सुन तो लीजिए.
उनको जेल हुई क्या?
हरीश
मुझे बात
साहब,
का जवाब दीजिए. आप वीरेंद्र सिंह कंपेयर
जेल तो
हरीश
तब
साहब,
होती है ना
10
जब
सेकंड
मामला
दीजिए
कोर्ट में
सरकार.
जाता है.
10 सेकंड.
That's my point.
श्रेया जी, can I
He's the
get 10
only chief
seconds,
minister.
please?
एक मिनट.
श्रेया जी 10 सेकेंड्स. देखिए हरीश जी,
अरे
हरीश जी
सर,
यहाँ
सुन
पे
लीजिए ना. हाँ,
10
बोलिए.
सेकेंड्स. हाँ श्रेया जी, जाने दीजिए सब कुछ. I'd like to make a non-political point here. Your party speaks of बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ. अगर एक पढ़ी लिखी बेटी अगर मुख्यमंत्री हो सकती है तो इस बात के सरांकों पर रख के आगे बढ़िए. And as a matter of fact, Harish Khurana ji, you need to take a leaf out of a book out of political analyst Mr. Abhishek Sudhir. What did he say? There are a good 4-5 months to go for the polls. It could be in February most likely. Let the LG Vinay Kumar Saxena along with Atishi, not as a stopgap arrangement but a 5 months chief minister, work so well that this country knows a बेटी पढ़ भी सकती है, बच भी सकती है और देश की सबसे अच्छी मुख्यमंत्री बन भी सकती है. I think if this happens, it will be
I
historic.
will say that is hoping for too much. Given Mr. Vinay Saxena and the Aam Aadmi Party's history with each other, so that's asking for too much. Neerja Chaudhary, I always